somebody had asked me, was it legal to dispute something on your credit report, and if so, on what grounds? So 90% of the time when you renege on a debt, say you owed Capital One, and now they sell it to a collection agency, that debt becomes disputable because you never signed a contract to do business with that particular collection agency. So there's no recollection of the response to your dispute would be no recollection of this company or this account, because legally you've never done business with that person, and they can't send over any documents to the credit bureaus stating that you've done business with them directly. It was an account sold from another company, so legally that has to be removed from your account. Another one of the main reasons is when a company sells an account to a collection agency, most likely the collection agency adds administrative fees and things like that too. So the account could have started at $1,000. Now a collection agency got it, and they're saying that you owe $1,800. That's not the truth. Credit bureaus can only report accurate information, so that's an error. That's disputable. It'll be removed from the credit report. Also, credit bureaus have credit companies have 30 days to respond to a request from the credit bureaus proving that any account is accurate. But once an account has been sold to a collection agency, and then to another collection agency, and then to another collection agency, the chances of them being able to respond to the credit bureaus within that 30-day time frame is slim to none. That has to be erased because they can't prove it within the 30 days. So those are just a few parameters when it comes to disputing items on a credit report. Inquiries. If you go buy a car and the bank tells you, or the car dealership tells you, oh, we're going to apply to Wells Fargo for your car loan, but then when you look at your credit report, there's 10 other banks on your credit report. Legally, you could dispute those because you never gave permission to run your credit to 10 different banks or 10 different credit unions. You're usually going to sign to run your credit with one, and they'll take it upon themselves to send it to 9 other companies. That's disputable. Every inquiry you get off your credit report increases your credit score by 2 points. Have a great day on purpose.